Hi, today we are back on the construction site, and the job today will be to install these, I don't know how you call it in English. In German the translation would be cups. So you put the cups into the walls. We have to make all the cutouts for switches, etc. Then we make some conduits from cup to cup. And yeah, maybe we can already put some cables for lights on the ceilings and somewhere where it comes out through the wall. We have marked all the lines for 1 meter from the finished floor then. So all these switches and outlets will be on the same height. We are following here installation zones. So from doors, etc., it's about like 15 centimeter on center, where all these switches and outlets will be, and then you have all the heights. Some we have switches around 1 meter and 15 lights. Yeah, this is all then individually where the owner needs it. Okay, so we will do 3 rooms and then also in the living room, so essentially 4 rooms. And yeah, initially just cut out all the wall spaces where those cups coming in, and then we will use cement and fix them. Usually you would use like gypsum to put them in place, but this is an old house and there's some humidity coming from the down in some places, so we will use cement instead, because gypsum is pulling humidity and the owner doesn't like that. This is the job for today, and we are going to start, and I will show you then some results from time to time. You see these cups here, this is the inner part, and then they have this one here, and this is already for plastering. So the cup is put inside the wall like this here, and when then the people are plastering, this here will stand out from the plaster and we can find it again easily. What do we have more? These ones are for up inside the wall. We have the conduit again, we have some cables, and that's it. Okay, let's start with the job today. Right, it's a little bit later in the day. Here's how it progresses. This is the raw cutout. Then here all those cups or cans and conduit. And here and everything is plastered in. My father helping me today. Right, let's continue a few more hours and then see what's going on. You know, the advantage of the light concrete is it's so easy to work with. You just take the angle grinder, cut out a little bit, break out the stone. But of course, it's a very, very dusty situation then when you cut here. Okay, the day is over and we have done what we wanted. The bathroom, for example, is finished. And so a few parts of other rooms, but there will be another 2 days actually same kind of things to be done, but I still have to wait until the floors and everything is finished, that we can continue. Because as you know, all the main runs will actually be on the floor to there. Okay, so yeah, next time I will then show you more or less when we pull wires and maybe make the important runs then. So yeah, this was a very dusty and dirty day. Thank you for watching today's video. Please comment, subscribe, and I see you next time.